Hello students, today we are going to learn about classes and class modules in Visual Basic Programming Language. About class modules, these are the important points. Classes can be built by adding custom properties to a form and then used as templates for new objects. A common way to build a new class for new objects is to use a class module. Class module objects contains the code for the custom properties and methods that objects define. New instances of a class from any other module or form can be created. Class module cannot have a visible interface on its own, so that we have to use a form design window to implement the class module. So separately it won't have visible interface. Each class module created will give a single class to build new instances of that class. A new class module can be created at a design time using the menu options, project, and from where we have to select add class module. Each class module can respond to only two events, which are initialize and terminate. When a class module is used for creating an object, then the initialize event is activated. Then when it is being terminated, then terminate event will be triggered. So for example, let's consider the reverse of a string program. For implementing the reverse of a string program, we are going to use class modules. So as usual, for creating the application, as usual, we have to open the Visual Basic. Then from a new standard exe project, we have to click it as open, and then the form is empty form is opened, and then name it as form class. Then project can be saved as a class underscore proj.vbp. So form and project is saved. And then now we have to add the class module by using the menu options project add class module. Then the name of the class module can be given as class 1. Then add 3 command buttons for create, reverse and exit in the form design window. Then write coding for the 3 command buttons. Before writing coding for the 3 command buttons, we have to write coding for the class module. So class module coding, this is the class module coding. 2 variables known as name and date created have been used. Then one property, get property is implemented and its name is created, and it is used for representing the name of time and the date of the object created. And then one procedure is used which is rev underscore name, used for finding the reverse of a string. And then 2 events known as initialize and terminate. These 2 events are automatically get triggered. No need to explicitly call initialize and terminate. When an object is being created, then the initialize event will be triggered, and then the date created variable will be assigned, will be having the current date and time of the object creation. And the now function is used to represent the current time and date. So that is assigned to the variable date created. And in the message box, the details are displayed, like name of the object, and then that is nothing but the input stream, and the it is, since it is getting initialized, the title is given as initialized. And then in the terminate event, simply by using the message box, the triggering of that event is represented, okay, along with the value of the input stream. And then for the three command buttons used in the form design window, these are the coding. Okay. And MTH is an object created by using the new operator and using the class template named as class 1, and the name is assigned with the input obtained by using the input box. Then a message box, input stream, the input read from the input box is displayed using the message box. So command one click event is simply for initializing the new object and for getting the input stream. And then second command button is used for finding out the reverse of a string. The given string is reversed and it is displayed. And the third command button is simply terminating the program. Okay. And this is the form design window. Three command buttons included, and the caption does create object, reverse string, and exit. And then when the first command button is being clicked, the new object is initialized. Nothing is assigned initially, so that it is empty, and then the time and the date of creation is displayed, and it is getting the input stream using the input box. Okay, here for example, computer is the string given, and then click OK. Okay. Then after that, the second command button is clicked, so that the given input is reversed. Okay, this is the reverse of computer. Okay, and then exit button. Okay, now I hope you all understand about the concept of classes and the class models. Thank you.